Law number 49, crisis management. When trouble hits inside, call the experts. They'll bring clarity and structure, but when the storm rages outside, it's the flexible, big picture leaders you want steering the ship. Here's the catch: a crisis inside a tough environment? Risky, but survivable. Total calm for years? That's when things actually start to die off. No change means no growth. Nature shows us that conflict isn't just inevitable, it's vital. It sparks evolution, creativity, and resilience. Without a little friction, nothing gets sharper. The law of crisis management guides how living systems handle uncertainty. Crises can be internal, like social breakdowns, external, environmental shocks, or both. Internal crises need reorganization. For example, when a queen bee dies, the colony must quickly rear a new one to restore order. External crises demand internal stability and bold leadership. Migratory birds facing habitat loss adapt by changing routes, flight strategies, or migration timing. Each crisis type calls for its own survival playbook, whether it's restructuring within or exploring new paths outside.